from the Pima Area Labor Federation.
Woo!
And the President of the American Federation of State, County, Municipal Employees.
Woo!
I'll tell you right now that I don't need a bullhorn to talk to the fighting machinists at Raytheon. Every one of you know why you're here today, and you know that you're going to fight and get the right contracts because you guys helped carry the torch for the rest of the labor movement in this area.
Yeah.
I just wanted to express my sincerest thanks to all of you for being here. Sister Linda Hatfield from the CWA 7000, who's also the PALF director, couldn't make it today. And she wanted me to send her greetings to all of you. I want you to know that you're not in this fight alone, that the whole labor movement in Pima County, in this area, will be here to help you when you need it. We've been here before, we're going to be here again.
Woo!
This is the richest defense company in the world. Go get your share.
Yeah!